this again. What's up, you guys? My name is Alina and welcome back to my channel. I'm back. See, I didn't disappear for too long. I just wanted to do something quick and easy. This is kind of like my, I wouldn't say everyday makeup look because I don't really wear makeup every day. Just like what I throw on my face when I feel like looking somewhat decent when I step out into the world, like when I go to work, or well, honestly, half the time I don't even wear makeup to work. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But when I do decide that I want to wear makeup and I don't want to do like a full glam look, but I still want to look like a solid 8.5, this is what I throw on my face. Yeah, so you want to see me do my face? Keep watching. Alright guys, so I've already cleansed and moisturized my skin, so now I'm just prepping it with my Mario Badisco spray. And we're going to go in with the same Fit Me foundation and just blend that in all over the face. Now I know I look insane right now, but just bear with me, it gets better at the end, I promise. I make sure to get my ears and my neck as well. Honestly, I never did foundation on my ears until like a few years ago when I saw, I think Jeffree Star do it in a video, and I was like, oh my god, that is genius. How did I not think of that? I was just walking around with different colored ears. So now I'm just going to set my face with the Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder, and I'm just going to buff it all out and make sure everything's smooth and flawless. Now I'm going to brush these eyebrows out and get them all fleeky, and I'm going to use my ABH Dip Brow Pomade. So now I'm going to go ahead and bronze myself up with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, I believe. Yeah, that's what it is. I always make sure to get my jawline and my forehead when bronzing my face because it kind of just creates shadows in all the right places and it makes you look bomb. And don't forget the nose. Never forget the nose, people. I'm telling you, it's like the holy grail of your face. You know how they say the eyes are the windows to the soul? I think your nose contour is. So now I'm just taking some bronzer and my Makeup Forever powder and kind of just buffing it all over my face. And yeah, now I'm feeling myself apparently. Now I'm going to take the handy dandy Modern Renaissance palette and a fluffy brush, and I'm just taking the shade Tempera, I think that's how you pronounce it. And yeah, I'm just going to buff that all over my lid. I'm going in with the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm just gonna blend that out in my crease. Now taking the shade Raw Sienna and kind of just buffing that into my crease as well to give it more depth. Now at this point I switched brushes and grabbed something a little skinnier but still fluffy just so I can really get in my crease and give it that definition that I'm looking for. So now I'm going to dip my brush in both shades, Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange, and kind of just buff them all over my lid. Now for my favorite part, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners with the shade Primavera. Now I'm going to take the same two colors that I used on my lid and buff them underneath my lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Cypress Umber, which is like the darkest color in the palette, and kind of just buff that on my lash line as well to give it a smoky effect. So right now I'm going to add my mascara, which is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. It is my all-time favorite mascara. I haven't used anything else in years, and I don't plan on switching anytime soon. I think I make the funniest faces when I apply mascara. Like, I'm pretty sure everybody does, but it's so much funnier to see myself do it on camera. I always give myself a good spray down before applying any kind of highlighter because it kind of just makes it pop more, and yeah, I'm extra all the time. So I'm putting on my go-to nude lipstick, and it's by Huda Beauty in the shade Trendsetter, and I think it's just so pretty and it's perfect for an everyday look. So of course you can be done with the look if you want to, but me being who I am and extra all the time, I'm going to be applying falsies. And yeah, apparently I just don't know when to quit. So I'm going to go ahead and just buff my face off with my powder brush, getting rid of any creases or oils I may have left behind. And yeah, that's the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. And if you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!